I think it's finally going to get a new starter since this one is going out. It starts up fine on a cold start right now, but lately, once it's warmed up, say I go to the gas station, run some errands, car's already warmed up. You try restarting this thing, man, it sounds like you're beating a cat with like a broken, rattling muffler. It's bad. Yeah, so that should be fun. Starter is down here somewhere. I don't know. I'll probably remove the fan. That way I have a little bit more access room. But yeah, today's task at hand. Alright, remove the fan shroud. It's basically 2 screws on both sides, 10 millimeter. And it would be screwing into this part right here and this part right here of the radiator. Now you can see the starter a lot better now. Definitely a lot better now. Not too bad. There's the old starter right there. I don't even think it was original. Well, I can't even tell. Not sure if that's Denso or not, to be honest. But the new one's down there. Gonna toss that in there and get it going. Alright, got that nut in there already, or that screw. Alright, put the camera down, tighten this just right, and then I just gotta put the connections back on there. Put the harness and the terminal mount on there, and put the shroud back on, battery back on, and start it up. Alright, everything is back connected. Let's test it out. Stay right there, Z. Stay right there. Hold on. Get on it. Try it a few times. Not too bad. Not too loud. Not very super quiet as far as the starter goes. Yeah, it's been idling about maybe 5 to 7 minutes. Started it multiple times, or about a good 5-6 times, and then just let it idle for about 5 to 7 minutes after that. Everything's good. Starts up normal, sounds normal. Yes, sir. Back on the road. Gotta go get my core charge back. $40 back, homie.